Want the stick, Luna? Go get it. Yeah, I know you're just gonna chew on it. You don't want to play fetch? Okay, girl.